It is 12:05 EST, April 15th. Very, very important day. Do not forget what you're supposed to do on April 15th if you are a citizen of the most beautiful country on the planet. Let's recap what's happening on our fantastic short trade on S&P. Our short on S&P is currently 2.5 points in profit, struggling because it came to reversal zone. This is the reason why we had taken short on S&P and we ignored very, very aggressive longs. This is a level we waited for and monitored for very, very patiently. Today we had 3 trades on S&P. We had a trade that set up pre-market that was very, very quick and reached our first target. Second trade was not as spectacular. It was very aggressive trade. And we finally patiently waited for bearish collapse to continue. And this is what's playing out, which is very, very critical. Just like decision point 2 was respected on S&P where the sellers came from, I expect very powerful push to the upside because my reversal zone had been reached. Scaling out is essential. Respecting these levels is absolutely critical for profit taking. I am monitoring S&P very, very carefully. My stop is outside of break even. Reversal zone, despite spectacular bearish collapse, had not been broken. It's very, very critical level. Monitoring with patience and discipline. S&P is staging very powerful bearish collapse. It is not to be ignored. This is where monthly levels, decision point 1, that S&P struggled to break through. Price danced at this level for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks and collapsed. This collapse is not to be ignored. This is picture perfect reminder. Decision point 1 is always present. Respect this level. This is very critical resistance level that identifies the end of the minor trend. On my trade, S&P came to reversal zone and it's struggling immensely. Just to recap, the same power you're witnessing on S&P 8 range is where gold staged very, very powerful reversal. This is what you learn in the course. Respect decision point 1, the end of the minor trend. Do not acquire position, trend position anywhere in reversal zone. Anything is possible. Price will do 2 things, either correction or reversal. This is gold 4-hour chart. That's one of our graduates is trading. But don't be fooled. Oil also showing potential revisiting this reversal zone 3. It's only a correction, but quite a spectacular one that played out in the last 4 hours. So what will price do? It's been struggling at this level for the last 10 minutes. Very powerful and spectacular collapse, unable to break through this level. Bullish correction in a play. Will it be bullish reversal? Price will tell us so. So here we are. Price is reversing further to the upside. I expect to be out on my trail. 2 targets are in. Is that clear? Actually 3. 1, 2, 3. Every level. Decision point 2, decision point 1, and reversal zone. We are out of S&P. This reminds you that nothing in this world is random. This reminds you how critical it is to know where this very important Fibonacci profit-taking levels are. This confirms in this Easter time that nothing in this world is random. If you knew and obeyed this method, you had an opportunity to short gold from exact same reversal zone on daily chart. And this is very, very critical as this is major trend exhaustion, but the same formula applies. If it's S&P, if it's gold daily, or if it's Apple monthly. Apple continues its collapse, as we knew it would. If you respect and know what price is telling you, this is not a pretty place to belong. Apple shows continuous further collapse to the downside. This is the end of the minor trend. This is where bullish trend had ended. And this is where sellers picked up the steam, reminding you, respect very critical Fibonacci levels, know what not to enter into, and know where to monitor for reversals. Formula remains the same. Doesn't matter if it's Apple monthly, gold daily, gold 4 hours, or S&P 8 range.